Oatmeal and lemon sounds unusual, right? But trust me, this combo is pure magic. These cookies are crisp on the edges, chewy in the middle, and bursting with bright lemony flavor. Let me show you how to make them. To make things easier later on, line a baking sheet, or better, 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the flour, baking soda and salt. Also, measure out the oats and set it all aside. In a stand mixer, beat the butter and sugar until fluffy. Add 1 egg, lemon zest and lemon extract and continue beating. When fluffy, gradually add the flour mixture. Then add the oats and mix until just incorporated. Using a cookie scoop is highly recommended because, well, the dough is really sticky. Bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes. They'll come out golden, soft inside, and smelling like a dream. Let them cool a bit before diving in, if you can wait that long. Give these a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy baking!